Hey guys, happy Holy Week. Today in this video I'm just going to talk about what we're doing this week so that you have a good heads up of the things that we're doing this week. Okie doke. Okay, so physics. Today's lesson, which of course is due tomorrow, is going to be activity C 6.2. It's really similar to the last one that we did, where we learned about the voltmeter and how to use it, and about the voltage in the circuit. We're just going to do pretty much the same thing, but with an ammeter, which is the tool that we use to measure the current or the flow rate through a circuit. I do want you to color code that worksheet before watching the video like you did with the last one, and then just watch the video and submit the completed worksheet. The worksheet that you'll do on Tuesday or Wednesday, I suppose, is based on the activity, that one. There's just some questions about ammeters and charge flow rate in a circuit. It should be a pretty simple worksheet, but as always, I do want you to come to me with any questions that you might have. The last day we'll be doing kind of a lab together. Just like all the rest of the activities, I'm mostly going to do that for you. That's going to help me to make sure that you did get the correct information from that lab. I'm not exactly sure what that'll look like quite yet. I might have you actually graph some things on your own so that you can tell me, or I might graph it for you. I haven't quite decided yet. More to come on that on Wednesday. Honors Physics, we're just going to continue with what we had been doing last week. We're moving forward with Unit 5 of CASTLE on how pressure changes in a circuit. And this week is focusing mostly on parallel circuits and why and how the resistance is going to get lower when we add bulbs in parallel with each other. We're going to try to improve on last week's style a little bit, and both of those activities have a lab video as well as a guided notes video. And then on Wednesday, we'll have the kind of assessment for those couple of activities worth of learning. There's just a worksheet that goes along with those. You have to compare the voltage and the current in the wires of series and parallel circuits. You will be graded on that assignment. Okay, so that is a graded assignment, so please don't shrug it off. I have faith that you guys will do well on it because you're pretty quick and the questions are relatively straightforward, but obviously please do ask me if you have questions.